G'day guys, David here, Sandgate Auto Electrics. We've got the Volkswagen Passat in today. It's actually in for a roadworthy certificate. What we found is the rocker cover was leaking very badly. Very common problem with most cars. After a bit of time, they have a big rubber seal around the rocker cover. What happens is after a bit of time, it goes hard and brittle and you can pretty much just break it up rather than being nice and loose and rubbery like they should be. Like I said, very common problem with most cars. They all have the very similar sort of rubber gasket around the top. So if you see any oil leaking from around the top of your motor, chances are it will be your rocker cover leaking. If you have any questions about it, please feel free to call in or give us a ring here at Sandgate Auto Electrics and we'll be able to help you out. Thank you very much.